I signed up for HYROX, which is pretty much like CrossFit with a ton more running. But the problem is I suck at running, so I'm building this app called Engine, which is supposed to help take normal people and help them become hybrid athletes to do things like HYROX or whatever. The problem that I was having is a lot of these workout apps are super specific to lifting or running. Engine is supposed to allow you to track your complete workouts, cardio or lifting, in one app. For those who are new, my name is James, and I'm a software engineer who works on and builds apps that make my life easier and helps me achieve my goals. The current one that I'm facing right now is this hybrid workout stuff, so that's why I'm building Engine, which is supposed to help me do that. The goal for today is to allow users to add their own custom workouts. First, I have to think about, how do I even want to get this data? Do I just want to use AI and generate an exhaustive list and then just use that? I thought about doing that, but then the problem is, like, what if I want to now add workout instructions and a demo of the workout and some graph? Then I have to create all that data myself. So I didn't think that was the best approach. So then the next option was find an API which has the data. The one that I'm choosing to go with is ExerciseDB. I'm going to fetch all the exercises that this database has, and I'm going to store them in my table. I'm going to create a table called exercises, right? And then whenever I need to search exercises, let's say the user wants to add a new one, I'll query my database so it's faster, right? And I'll store references to the API's IDs, so that way when I need extra information, I can fetch them. That's kind of the plan in my head. I don't know how it's going to work out when I actually start doing it. So I'm about to get to it right now and just start coding. I might simply start first with adding workouts to an existing one. I think that'd be easier. Before we do that though, let me show you guys what the app is actually looking at right now. Now, when you go into it, it'll show you how much you've actually done this week. Today, I'm supposed to go do a long run. See, I can click in and I can see everything I need to do. Now let's just see a workout real quick. Let's go to yesterday's. Like I said, I skipped it, but we have front squat, dumbbell incline press, Romanian deadlifts, farmer carries, and side planks. One thing that's new that I'm really excited about is some of these workouts are not just weights and reps. For example, let's go to side plank. This really bothered me. It was weights and reps, and I didn't know, do I need to smartly figure out what the metric is, or how does that work? So what I've done is I've added this little column selector where now you can choose the metrics. For side planks, there's no weight, there's no distance or rep, just duration for me. So then I can just apply that, and now I can say I did a side plank for 1 minute. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. So the goal for today is maybe add a button underneath this that says add a workout, pop up a modal, they can search or select a workout, and then it will boom, show up just like this. So let's get to it today. So far, it's kind of going okay. I'm not going as fast as I thought I would. By me, I mean me and Cursor are not going as fast as I thought I would. What's happening is right now, I can select from a list of workouts, but I can't figure out the best UX because there's just so many workouts. And when I open it, I get all these obscure workouts that don't even make sense. And I'd like to show like the normal stuff like barbell bench press, barbell deadlift, things like that. Right now, you can't add the workout to the session, but we can at least click multiple and filter, and the search kind of works as well. So yeah, hopefully I can finish the rest of this. I'm not gonna get to work out today because this is taking longer than I thought. But tonight, what I'm gonna do with some friends is I'm gonna go to this museum that has an after hours. So it's pretty much 21 and up from like 6 to 10. And I'm gonna go out there with my girlfriend and some friends and just play around the museum and drink some drinks. So I gotta get this done. So I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I did finish the first goal, which was to allow a user who has a workout that they're looking at be able to actually add exercises to that workout. We did that, so let's show you how that looks. All right, so let's click on this workout from yesterday, edit. Now if we come back here, we can add, and then now when you see the ad, there's a list of all these different types of workouts that you can filter by body part. We'll probably change the way this looks because I think it's kind of messy, but let's just go barbell deadlift. So then I can click this, I can search for another one now. Let's just add dumbbell just for the sake of adding it. Boom. So now you see I have 2 selected. And then once I hit add, I'm saving it to the session at this point. That's kind of the idea. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the app so far. I think it'll be helpful just for tracking my runs and my lifts. So far, it's been going good. And my 2 friends who have been using it have been liking it and saying it's helpful, apart from all the bugs every time I change the schema. But we're not talking about that right now. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go hit up that museum. I have some fun for the rest of the night, maybe get some tacos at the end of the night. So yeah, see y'all next time.
No baggage, I'm boarding the plane. Leaving everything bad in the rearview and taking whatever remains. Whatever been good for my spirit, the rest I've been setting ablaze. Burning it down to the ground, I started refreshing the page. Till I rest in the grave, I'm making a mark and etching my name. I get it, you feeling the way, but when you try throwing your shade, we throwing grenades. Growing with pain to help me turn into the man I became. I'm better with age, forever the era, I cherish the phase. But some things are better left back in the days. We started a wave, then parted away. A part of me feel like it's part of the game. The parties don't hit like they used to, it's cool. We did it already, it's hard to complain. I got no agendas and plans that mean more to me nowadays. It started to sway, the way that I look at the world. I'm only in places with putting my heart on display. My heart on my sleeve, the blood on the leaves. Been working to sharpen the blade. The darker the day, the brighter it is. When you find a way out the part that decayed. Dimming the light, but you gotta fight when you feel it starting to fade. Don't cover the blind, cause how can you shine if you keep a star in the shade? Hey. Look how far that we came. Hey. Gone away, flown away, gone away, flown away.